Hey, QUEERVEE here, ready to get into using the Paletteful Packs products for February. And I'm just swatching them out real fast. I actually kind of cheated and kind of played with them before this video, but that's because I was just so curious to see how they worked, because I was like, what is this? And I found out that they work really nice with water, which I didn't swatch out here, but I definitely use in the piece. But here I'm just doing, so if you put the markers one on top of each other, you can have the bottom one hold a little bit of the pigment of the top one. So when you put it on the paper, it'll kind of be blended together smoothly. But I didn't really use that all that much. I used it a little bit, but I preferred what they looked like with water. And then I also swatched out the Sakura Pigma pens that I got. And so I don't know why I got these colors, and I was thinking what to do, and I was just like, I'm gonna do a shoe. I want to do a shoe. And I was like, I'm gonna do a Converse. I used to wear Converse all the time. There was a time in my life where I only wore Converse. This is a time when I was in 8th grade and 9th grade. But yeah. So they have some meaning to me. And it was always high tops. I mean, I did have 2 pairs of low tops, but most of my Converse were high tops. I had a lot. I mean, I still have them, I just don't really wear them that often. But yeah, so I sketched that out with my new color erase pencils, well, with just one of them, the light blue one. And I used all of the different pens that came with the box. I used the brush to do an outline to give it more of a fabric-y kind of feel and a loose feel, and then I used the 03 for the details, and I didn't use the 05 that much. I used it for the bottom stripe and to make some parts darker, some lines darker. Then I'm just erasing all that junk, and I think it looks pretty cool. And so then I'm just layering on a few of the colors. I did it together. I did the melty thing with the pens, and I totally got it a little messy, got it outside of the lines, but it didn't matter because I knew what I was going to do for the background, so I was like, whatever, it's really not a big deal. I wasn't sure exactly what to do for the middle section, but I just kind of added more color on top, and I liked how it looked. I really enjoyed the effect that the ink of these markers had with water. It's so pretty, and they melted so nicely together with the water. A little too nicely. My circle kind of got messed up. I was trying to keep it white, but that did not really happen. And then I only used the gray a little bit, but I thought it was really nice. And then I was just gonna throw the ink on, so I actually scribbled it out on a piece of plastic, scribbled the markers out, and just picked it up with the water brush, threw it on the paper. And I did use the sketchbook paper from this sketchbook, so it's not the best for holding water. You can kind of see it warping a little bit, but I did it anyways. I do what I want. Paper doesn't define me. I mean, it probably would have looked nicer on nicer paper. Again, I wish that they would have included nicer paper than sketchbook paper, but that's okay. And then I kind of cheated, and I used just white craft paint to go in and make the laces white, because I totally messed up and made everything messy and got blue everywhere. But I wanted the laces to be white, and I was like, it looks super messy, so I'm just gonna fix it, whatever. it should have been white. I just can't, I'm not very careful and my hands are shaky, so that's my excuse. But yeah, overall I think it was a really fun piece. I've never like drawn a shoe so like realistically, I guess. I was like looking at a picture and I drew it a few different times, but in the end I think it turned out really pretty, especially with the colors. The colors look so nice. I want this shoe. I wish I could wear this. And the background's really pretty. I like the background. It's nice. Even though the paper is kind of all like it's fine. I love these markers a lot. They're so much fun to use, and I wish that I got like a yellow or something, but I'm sure I'll use those again because they were a lot of fun to use with the water. So thanks, Paletteful Packs, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed that video. It would mean a lot to me if you could leave a comment, subscribe to me. I would love to get to know you guys, and have a good night. Bye!